Hello everyone, so here is the latest addition in our product catalog, which is the RGB fans with RGB fan controller. And the specialty of these RGB fans is the dual side RGB, so you can have RGB LED here and here as well, so the both sides. It comes with a remote, so you can turn off RGB when you want, you can turn it on, you can switch it to auto, or if you want you can stick to a specific color, whichever you want, or if you want again you can switch to auto, so you're gonna get plenty of colors like a Diwali lightings. Plus the controller which comes with it have 8 ports for fan and 4 ports for LEDs, so you can light up to 8, I repeat, 8 LED fans which can have dual LED lightings and 4 LED strips. So your computer going to celebrate Diwali or New Year or Christmas, whatever you want to call it, when you install these fans. You can buy them at a very low cost, that is just 3,999 rupees. The purchase link is down below in the description. So thank you for watching our video, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the details of our latest products as soon as we upload them. Thank you.